everyone. Good morning to all my teachers, friends, and our principal sir. My name is Krisha Patel and I am from class 1 Prithvi. Today I am going to talk about Makar Sankranti. The meaning of the word Makar Sankranti came from two words, Makar and Sankranti. The meaning of Makar is Capricorn and the meaning of Sankranti is the transition, which makes Makar Sankranti as the transition of the sun in the Capricorn. It is a very auspicious and sacred occasion according to Hinduism. There is also belief that taking a dip in the holy water of Triveni Sangam, which is the point where three holy rivers meet, that is Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati at Prayagraj on the day of Makar Sankranti during the time of Kumbh Mela has great importance in Hindu religion. One of the crucial parts of Makar Sankranti is doing charity, donating wheat, rice and sweet to the people in need is part of the festival. The one who donates with an open heart, God will bring prosperity and happiness in their life and remove all the difficulties. Makar Sankranti, also known as Kite Festival, where all families take part in kite flying competition on rooftops and enjoy special foods like tilgud and dhiyu. Makar Sankranti is a vibrant and joyful festival. Happy Makar Sankranti. Thank you. Jai Hind.